today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a fax from Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Before sending a fax, you need to sign up for an online fax service such as eFax, iFax, or Fax.plus using your Gmail address. Complete the registration process and make sure your account is active, since Gmail alone cannot send a fax without a fax provider. Once your fax service account is ready, go back to your Gmail inbox and click the Compose button in the top left corner. In the To field, type the recipient's fax number followed by your fax provider's domain. This format converts your email into a fax through the provider's system. Next, type the title of your fax in the subject line. This will appear as the subject of your fax transmission. In the body of the email, type your message. This content will automatically serve as the fax cover sheet, so include any important details such as the sender name or recipient name and a short message. To attach your document, click the Attach Files icon, which looks like a paperclip at the bottom of the Compose window. Select the PDF or document you want to fax from your computer and click Open. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Once everything is ready, click the blue Send button. Your fax service provider will process the email and transmit it as a fax to the recipient's fax machine or fax system. After sending, monitor your inbox for a confirmation email from the fax service. This confirmation will let you know whether the fax was successfully delivered. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.